gave everybody a battery. All right, get your battery. You guys stand up. You guys stand up. Hold your battery in your hand. Okay. And then you gotta hold hands. Hold hands. Hold hands like in church. Hold, come on now. Hold hands.
Battery.
And have your battery. Alright. So listen. We're going to spend just 30 seconds. Close your eyes. Okay, we're going to go into ourselves, into our spirit. Okay, but we're going to feel the energy. You have to feel the person's hand next to you. Feel, just close your eyes and just breathe out of your nose and just relax. Okay? Okay, go, just relax, close your eyes, hold the battery, and just meditate and ask bigger questions. Just say, Lord, give me more clarity. Allow me to grow and scale. Allow me to be around the right people so I can make the right decisions, so I can have the things that are already written for me. Lord, with everybody in this room, with this amazing energy and power, allow us all to scale and go to the next level, working together as a team, working together as one source, as one energy. Share this moment and hold on to this moment for a few seconds. Thank you. How was that? Did you feel anything?
Amen.
Hey, so listen, I'm sitting up here. I couldn't finish up the rest of the presentation, but you guys can Google me. I've been around, and my contact is on the website, and I'll send you guys the PowerPoint. And I'll load it up to Slack.
So Sid's going to give you the PowerPoint, put it in Slack. Give him a round of applause.